Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce joint pain and improve mobility, follow these step-by-step approaches. Step 1. Apply ice to inflamed joints for 15 to 20 minutes several times daily to reduce swelling and numb pain. Step 2. Use heat therapy with warm compresses or warm baths to relax muscles and increase blood flow to stiff joints. Step 3. Start low-impact exercises like swimming, water aerobics, or cycling to strengthen muscles around joints without added stress. Step 4. Maintain a healthy weight to reduce pressure on weight-bearing joints like knees, hips, and ankles. Step 5. Try gentle stretching and range of motion exercises daily to maintain flexibility and prevent stiffness. Step 6. Consider taking over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications like ibuprofen as directed for pain relief. Step 7. Add anti-inflammatory foods to your diet like fatty fish, nuts, berries, and leafy greens while reducing processed foods. Step 8. Consult a healthcare provider or physical therapist for personalized treatment, especially if pain persists or worsens, as you may need additional interventions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.